tree. Oh, nice place. Yeah. And go all the way. Oh, there's a lot of bees. And there's a lot of... Ah!
And maybe they're sweet because the bees like them.
Pollens. Yeah. It's coming in here. Oh, look at that. There's like a watershed. What I'm talking about.
It's like a whole...
Yeah, it's like a whole ecosystem. And we're here in ripponlea estate, and yeah, those. So it's like a rainforest or something here. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Ripponlea estate. Yeah. Look at the cornix. It's nice here. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. There for yoga. They close it. It's nice for yoga. It's closed. Look at that tree there. Looks good. Yep, ripponlea. See ducks over there. Even this tree is like interesting. Yeah. The red egret. Huh? Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for letting us know, though.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Heaps of plants here. Abbotsford meals. Bento. Yeah.
Ako ibutang kuan mi
Unsa?
toyo.
Yeah. Yummo. Trumpet sounds and angels singing. Listen to what they say. So yeah, good lunch. Even like the chair there. Convent bakery.